Yo guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I continue to fixing this wiper, this fresh paint after paint work, and just check this out, how this look like. All just everything perfect, everything just perfect. Look at this. Now I quickly want to show you what I need to do here with wiper. I need assembly fully rear bumper, this plastic under bumper, this big panel. Also I got new trim for taillights, and also a lot of other new and some used parts from this beast, with some fog light, some small, a lot of this plastic grill, headlights, like fender, just everything I got to finish this beast. Yo guys, look here, I got this original bumper from this wiper, and just look at this air things for lower lip. That's not like plastic, that's a real metal, or no, some aluminum. Look guys, first time I install bumper, and I thought I just can put this trim after, like first I install bumper after this trim, but it's not working like that. Now I pull out bumper again and install this trim. Now I will put this taillights like that. Yeah. video.